Have you ever found yourself staring at your books but not being able to focus on them? In this video, we will share with you 7 powerful strategies on how to increase concentration in studies. So, let's get started.
As you fade away.
Tip number 1. Improve sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt concentration and other cognitive functions. Some of the tips can help you improve your sleep. Number 1. Keep a comfortable room temperature, which is best for sleeping. 2. Turn off the TV and put away mobile phones before going to bed. 3. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. 4. Exercise regularly. 5. Listen to soft music or read books to enhance good sleep. Tip number 2. Train your brain with fun games. Here is a list of certain types of games that can help you to improve and increase your concentration faster. Number 1. Sudoku. Number 2. Crossword puzzles. 3. Chess. 4. Jigsaw puzzles. 5. Word searches or scrambles. 6. Memory games. These brain training activities can have a huge positive impact on concentration. Tip number 3. Daily meditation is must. Calming the mind is the secret of better concentration, which is the secret of better memory. So get your yoga mat and start your meditation. If you are a beginner, start with 5 minutes and later you can increase to 30 minutes or 1 hour. Tip number 4. Nutrition. Avoid processed foods, sugar and fatty foods, and eat foods like green leafy vegetables, eggs, fatty fish, nuts, etc. Another easiest way to increase your concentration and memory is by keeping your body hydrated. Please don't indulge into other caffeinated drinks, so-called energy drinks. They have a bad influence on our body and mind. Number 5. Put up pictures. Viewing a natural scene or watching wildlife can improve concentration. If you are able to put up pictures in your workspace, then choose landscapes or natural images that you enjoy. This can help you increase your concentration, especially if you can see the pictures from your desk. Tip number 6. No social media. Try to stay away from social media during working hours. Research have found that using social media during working hours will make your attention span low. So to have better memory and to increase concentration, it's wise to avoid distractions. Tip number 7. Take short breaks between studies. Taking purposeful breaks anywhere from 5 to 60 minutes from studying. Refresh your brain, increase concentration, energy and productivity. You can just walk around, talk to someone, or even switch to a different type of task. It will keep your performance high. So that's it all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more amazing videos. See you!